How to fix laptop fan noise problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix laptop fan noise problem. Now, before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. So let's dive right in. So first we'll try some software solutions. This will involve reducing your CPU uses. So for that, you will need to open up your task manager. You can simply search for your task manager on your search bar here and press enter or open up task manager, and you'll need to locate for any resources that is hogging up the resource, so any apps or processes that is hogging up your resource. So if you find such uh, process, you'll need to end it. So for example, if I just select maybe my WhatsApp, if it's hogging up too much of my resource, I'll just select WhatsApp, and after I select WhatsApp, I'll just head over here and tap on End Task. After I end task, WhatsApp will get closed from the background, freeing up my CPU. You can do that for other processes which you're not currently using. You can also consider setting your max processor state to 98%. For that, we'll need to search for power options. So search for power options. You'll find edit power plan. Head over there. After you're here, you will need to go to your advanced power settings. And there you will find multiple options. Now you need to set this at balanced as well. So do that and simply tap on this processor power management. You'll see the maximum processor state. Set it at around 98. Set this to something over 90. You can do this somewhere around 98%. And finally tap on apply and then tap on OK. Doing that will fix the problem. After adjusting the power plan to balanced, it will also help you reduce fan spin. Now, doing that will fix your problem slightly. What you can also do is physically clean your laptop. Now, power down and unplug your laptop, turn it off, remove the battery if it's possible. After you remove the battery, you can use compressed airs, you can use a brush, and just gently clean your air vents. Do that, and you can also, after you've done everything, you need to always use your laptop on a flat hard surface to allow proper airflow. And you can also get an external cooling pad which will significantly help with the airflow. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.